All right, friends. So now that you've watched the model, I want to show you what your exit ticket will look like. So in this Google form, after this video, you're going to see some questions in your Google form, which are going to be your exit ticket. And it's going to be about verbs, right? Finding the action verb in the sentence below. So if you read here, it says, find the verb in the sentence and prove your answer below. So you're going to see your sentence, and then you need to choose which word is the action verb. So this sentence reads, Nancy baked an apple pie. So which word is the action verb? Is it Nancy? Is it apple? Is it Anne? Is it baked? Remember that you can use this sentence stem to help you. I Nancy, you Nancy, he Nancy. Does that make sense? No. I apple, you apple, he apple. Doesn't show an action. I Ann, you Ann, he Ann. Again, doesn't show an action. I baked, you baked, he baked. That does show an action. That's something that you can do. You can bake something, right? That's an action. So I'm going to choose baked, and that is my correct answer. After I have chosen this answer, I'm going to prove my answer here by saying, this I baked. That's how I'm proving my answer. Or you could say, he baked, right? Or you baked. If your verb works with any of these, you're going to type that verb into this sentence, okay? You're going to prove your answer by putting it into I, you, or he. Let's try another one. The squirrel climbed up the tree. What is the action here? Is it squirrel? Is it up? Is it climbed? Is it tree? Which verb shows an action? I squirrel, you squirrel, he squirrel? That doesn't show an action. I up, you up, he up? Again, that doesn't show an action. Climbed. I climbed, you climbed, he climbed. Does that show an action? Yes. I tree, you tree, he tree. Does that show an action? No. So what is my action verb? If you said climbed, you're correct. And how can I prove it? I can prove it with any one of these sentences. I'm going to choose you climbed. That's how I proved my answer. Okay, so down below, you're going to have your own questions. You're going to be choosing your verb and proving it by putting it in one of these words. Okay, so remember, an action verb is something that you can do, it's something that you can act out. Ask yourself, is this something that I can do? Maybe you can stand up and try to do the action to find which word you can or cannot do. Okay, good luck, and I can't wait to see your amazing work.